Alright guys, this is going to be a video on how to clean your coils on your RDA. There's already videos on here of people doing it, but there's not that many really, so I thought I'd just contribute for fun. I just did mine, but I'm going to show you anyway. So yeah, mine are already clean. I'll just make this a quick video and show you how to do it. So basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to obviously take your cotton out, get it prepared and everything, and you might want to do this, you know, once or twice. Some people dip it in a cup of water, some people rinse it in a sink like I'm about to do. So all you're going to want to do is get your coils red hot, like that, and then, you know, let go of the fire button, and then you're just going to want to run it under the water real quick. And after this process, after you do that, some people use toothbrushes to brush their coils off if it's super gunky. I made these coils a couple days ago, and I think the juice I've been using is real heavy on the sweetener, so it got kind of gunky. Not super gunky, but enough for me to taste the difference. So that's basically it. Do not get any water on your mod. Try not to get any water on your mod, because that wouldn't be good. You could damage your mod. You can just really mess it up by getting water on it, obviously. So that's basically it. Just basically do this until you're satisfied. Do this as many times as you want until you're satisfied with how your coils look. Mine actually only took one rinse, and they look way better. The wire I'm using is a A1 Canthal 26 gauge 9 wrap parallel. So I'm not using any like fancy Claptons or Aliens or anything like that. This is just real basic. This is one of my first builds. I'm still pretty new to RDA building and stuff like that, but this is one thing I picked up, so that's basically it. Y'all have a good one.